Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hope you all will be good. I am so much excited. Why? Because we are going to start our new academic session 2021 to 2022, and this is our first class of social study. Now students, today we will not read any chapter, we will not do any work. So what we will do? This is our SST class. When you were in previous class, so you know that you don't have many subjects, but now you are a student of class 1, so you have many subjects. This is your first subject, it's SST, and we will discuss some topic in SST. So let's see what we are going to start. Just look at the board, student. Today we will discuss one topic. It's about transport, and this is the topic of social study. Social study means we are talking about SST. Now I'm telling you about transport. So have you seen, student, that when we go outside, when we go to school, we go outside, we go by bus, we go by auto, we go by train, we go by car. So what are these? These all are things, means if any things which we use for going to one place to another place, these all are called transport. So do you know, student, that what are transport? I am telling you once again that if we use anything which we use for going to one place to another, that's called transport. Now I will tell you some interesting types of transport. There are many types of transport, but I will tell you some types of transport. So just listen, teacher, that what I am telling you, because I will ask some questions, and this is your first class, so you have to be attentive that what I am telling you. Look at the board. I am telling you about types of transport. Have you seen about the land transport, sea transport, and air transport? Do you know, students, that if we are if we are talking about the land transport, so which transports are including in land transport? I am showing some pictures to you, so just listen that what I am telling you. I am just showing some pictures. I have told you we are not reading anything, we are not working in this class. I am just showing some pictures. Here you can see this is train, it's called land transport, and here bike, auto, truck, and bus, these all are called land transport. Got it, students? We are talking about land transport. Now if I talk about sea transport, in sea transport, so just think that what can you see in sea transport? When we go on beach, when we go at seaside, we look that ships, boat. Have you seen this type of things? Yes, these called sea transport. And if I will talk about land transport, so I have told you that it happen usually that we travel by bus, we travel by train, and when you come to school, so you also come to school by van. These transport called land transport. Now if we will talk about air transport, so just think, student, that which things are including in air transport? Which things? What can you see on the sky? Just think and give me answer. Which thing can you see on the sky? Aeroplane. Very good. Aeroplane is including in air transport. And after that, means if we have seen aeroplane, but we also see many things. So which thing? Helicopter. Yes, helicopter, aeroplane, and rocket. We have seen this type of things. So these are called air transport, means we travel by these things in air. If we want to travel in air, so which things we will use, means how we will travel? We will travel by aeroplane, we will travel by helicopter, and if we can also travel by rocket. But I am telling you some things about air transport, that if we are traveling in air, do you know, student, that if you want to reach early on the place, means suppose if you want to go out of the country, So how will you go? Will you select by, means do you want to go by bus? No, we cannot go by bus out of the country. We have to select air transport. By aeroplane, we can go out of the country in a short time. And land transport we use, suppose if we want to go, means nearly, like if you want to go school, your house is nearly school, and so we can use land transport. You go by van. And it also happened that some students come with their parents, means so they also come with their baba, so they use bike. Some students came by car, some students came by bus. Means if we are using, means if we are selecting nearly, means if we want to go any place but we want to reach on a short time, like that, nearly, we are selecting the nearly area, so we can use land transport. And if we will talk about sea transport, why we are using? Because we are crossing the sea, means we are enjoying, suppose we go on picnic, so we cannot use bus in sea, we have to use the ship or boat in the sea, because we are enjoying, we are crossing the sea, that's why we have to use sea transport. Now students, I am telling you about transport, that I have told you that there are many types of transport, but I am telling you today, I am telling you these three interesting types of transport. First is land transport, second is sea transport, and the third is air transport. So do you know students that suppose we are traveling, we are means moving one place to another place, it happens sometimes that we are on the road. Sometimes traffic is continuously just moving, means we are talking about the transport. Transports are just moving continuously and we cannot cross the road easily. So what should we do? We cannot stand and we cannot run on the road. Now students, I am telling you about one traffic light. So I am showing to one picture. Look at here. It's called traffic light or signal light. Why we called it traffic light or signal light? Because if we want to cross the road, so it helps us. Now here you can see that there are three circles and the colors are also mentioned. First is red, second is yellow. It can be in yellow or orange. Both colors, you can see both colors in second circle. And the third is green. Now students, you are thinking that what is the meaning of these colors? Why I am telling you about these colors. If you want to cross the road students, so what you have to do, first you have to look traffic light, that which light is on, which light is off, then what you have to do. So suppose if the red light is on, it means stop, you cannot cross the road. Okay? And if the light is yellow and orange, it means you have to wait, means you are ready to go, you have to just wait. And if the light is green, it means you can move. But student, one more thing, that suppose if I am telling you about this light, so if you are traveling in bus, it means if you see that the signal light, the red light is on, it means you have to wait because the other side transport will move. So you have to wait. And one more thing student, when the red light is on, so don't try to cross the road because it can be danger for you. If you are trying that, if you think that I can cross the road, I will run fast or I will drive my car or my bus fastly, then it's wrong thinking. So just wait, stop on red light. And when you look that the red or yellow light is on, it means just ready, means wait but ready to go. And when green light is on, then you have to move. Now you can move. One more thing student, if you are walking, means you are not in bus, you are not in car, you are not using any transport, means you are crossing the road by walk. So what you have to do, you have to use the zebra crossing. Have you seen zebra crossing? It look like that, means have you, I'm just telling you that how can you think that how it's look. It's look like that. Suppose there is a one line, one row it will be white color, the second line it will be in black color. That's called zebra crossing. So if you are walking, means you are crossing the road by walk, so you have to follow, you have to follow this, and you have to use pedestrian also. We are learning about transport. Now once again I am just asking that what are transport? Just tell me the things name fast. Who will tell me that which things are including in transport? Tell me the things name. Buses, train, car, bike, yes, cycle is also including in land transport, very good, and autos. These all things are, and as well as aeroplane, ship, boat, these all are including in transport. If I am talking about the types of transport, once again I am telling you that there are many types of transport, but I am telling you these three interesting transport. So first is land transport, second is sea transport, and the third is air transport. So tell me fast that in land transport which things means we can use. In land transport we can use aeroplane, means we can travel on land by aeroplane? No, because suppose if you are in your home but you want to come, so will you come by plane or will you come by car, auto, bike? You will select this land transport because your school is nearly to home. Got it, student? Now sea transport, how many things can be included in sea transport? We have discussed about ship and boat. And if we will talk about air transport, then in air transport, helicopter, aeroplane and rocket. By rocket, have you seen that we have heard that someone has reached on the moon, means if you want to go there then you have to use the rocket. We cannot go by aeroplane or helicopter. As well as I have told you about traffic light or signal light. Once again I am telling you that it's called traffic light or signal light. So there are three circles on this box. You can say that this is a box with rod. There are three circles. First will be in red color. Red means stop. Second color orange or yellow, maybe in orange, maybe in yellow, but the meaning of this color is wait or ready to go. And the third is green. It will be in green color and the meaning of green is go. So you have to follow these traffic light, then you can cross the road easily. Then you can cross the road easily. I hope, students, that you all understood this topic. Just get more information about this transport and discuss, means share with us. If you have any question, you can ask. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.